At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located at 5 miles southwest of Lincoln, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts sending all size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. At 6:40 p.m., a 70 miles per hour with gusts was estimated near Hartsburg, and 7 trucks were blown over on Interstate 155 at mile marker 3. Hail estimates alongside was also reported. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lincoln around 6:50 p.m. Beason around 6:55 p.m. Waynesville around 7 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Hyrup and Wapella. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 near mile marker 0. Interstate 55 between mile markers 117 and 142. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Lincoln. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. A severe